You've probably heard about Joe Biden removing Donald Trump's infamous Diet Coke button. But what other changes has the 46th president made to his new home? Trump spent almost $2 million redecorating the White House, the most of any president. But Joe Biden has already gotten started with his makeover plans, and they include a $1 million decoration. Here's a look inside Biden's White House and the incredible cost of redecorating this giant home, including a shocking amount spent on cleaning the property to get it prepared for the new first family. Redecorating the White House to suit the new president's tastes is an American tradition. Each new family that moves into the White House is given a $100,000 budget to redecorate. They also work with the Historical Society to spend around $1 million on all the state rooms. The president is allowed to borrow from the White House Museum and even the Smithsonian, so they can fill their new home with tons of priceless artifacts. While Donald Trump was president, his family spent more than any other first family during their White House makeover. The final total was $1.75 million, which included expensive changes like $17,000 just for custom rugs. But this year, Joe Biden is starting out with one huge necessary expense. Due to the pandemic, the 6th-floor building and its 132 rooms all needed to be deep cleaned. The reported cost of this cleanup job is an astounding $127,000. While cleaning was a necessity, there are plenty of other things Biden has already started doing to make the White House feel more like a home. A president usually picks busts and portraits of notable figures to surround himself with while at work. Biden chose a bust of legendary farm workers' rights organizer Cesar Chavez. It's featured prominently behind the Resolute desk in the Oval Office. And there's also busts of Rosa Parks and Eleanor Roosevelt. Biden has also taken down the portrait of Andrew Jackson that Trump had displayed. Probably a good choice. It looks like he's swapped it for an equally priceless portrait of Benjamin Franklin. Meanwhile, the iconic Resolute desk will remain where it is. The desk was a gift from Queen Victoria to President Rutherford B. Hayes in 1880. It was built of the oak of the British Arctic exploration ship HMS Resolute. Both the Resolute desk and the Grinnell desk were built at the same time, and when adjusted for inflation, they cost about $50,000 to construct. Biden has also given the Oval Office a personal touch by decorating it with campaign photos and family pictures. As for the furniture, he swapped Trump's padded maroon chair for an upholstered, dark brown leather chair. He also included furnishings that were featured during Bill Clinton's presidency, like dark gold curtains and a dark blue rug. The furnishings, including the couches and tables, all came from the White House collection, so with their incredible history, they're pretty much priceless. But the biggest expense so far has nothing to do with the Oval Office. The East Wing is where First Lady Jill Biden's offices are located, and she's going to be in charge of renovating the two-story structure. This includes a $1.2 million budget to completely redo the restrooms. The first family's residence will also be getting a makeover. The family will reside on the second floor of the White House, where they have access to 16 rooms like the famous Lincoln bedroom. Though Biden hasn't made the redecoration plans for his personal rooms public yet, it's reported that the bedrooms where the Obama's children and Barron Trump stayed will be redone to accommodate Biden's grandchildren when they visit. But the most impressive and expensive thing Biden has added to the White House has nothing to do with his personal residence. Displayed prominently in the Oval Office is a rare moon rock. It could be a gift from NASA, and depending on how much it weighs, it might be worth more than $1 million. In 2018, 3 Luna 16 rock fragments sold for $855,000. So it's definitely not a cheap piece of decor. Biden also got rid of the red button that Trump would push to have a butler bring him a Diet Coke on a silver platter. Yeah, that's real. Since Trump was estimated to have about 12 Diet Cokes most days, he might have consumed as much as 17,520 cans in total during his presidency, which is about $21,024 worth of his favorite soda. One of Trump's most expensive additions to the White House was a $50,000 room-sized golf simulator. No surprise there either. So, what kind of crazy addition do you think Biden will splurge on? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out here and we can't thank you enough. And it allows us to continue to produce the content you crave. all about the richest. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.